As energy needs evolve, maximizing the efficiency and lifespan of existing facilities is more important than ever. For over 40 years, NOV's Process Systems Group has helped clients solve process challenges, increase and optimize production while improving their environmental performance. Once we understand your process challenges, whether it's capacity, performance, or reliability, we apply our phased OPUS by NOV approach. Phase 1 is to understand. We analyze your system's chemistry, design, and operations to identify the root causes of these challenges. This can involve reviewing existing client data, or if required, performing on-site fluids analysis and process system assessments. Phase 2 is to define and verify. Using our advanced process modeling tools, and if required, CFD or physical testing, we validate the most effective solution. Phase 3 is to deliver and optimize. We implement solutions that minimize capital expenditure and reduce operating expenditure, enhancing system performance and reliability. Phase 4 is to sustain. We provide ongoing support, including digital tools, spare parts management, remote services, and planning for future changes to operating conditions. With a track record of real results and a commitment to collaboration, NOV delivers efficient, customized solutions, helping you understand, deliver, and sustain your assets every step of the way.